Greetings, students. The world is in dire need of your assistance. Our planet is under constant threat from a destructive extraterrestrial being. Despite our best efforts, our defenses are no match for the advanced warfare technology possessed by this invader. We urgently require aid, but our sole hope, a heroic individual, is currently imprisoned within a specially designed cavern. To release this hero and restore their powers, we must uncover the secret pin code to unlock the cave. Your mission, dear students, is to help us determine the hidden pin code by deciphering the clues left behind by the cave's creator, who has since passed away. These clues are divided into 3 parts, and each clue will convert decimal numbers into binary to unveil the secret code. You will find these hints written on a unique Egyptian paper placed on the table before you. Are you prepared? Excellent. Your time to solve these puzzles starts now.
T-minus 5 minutes. T-minus 4 minutes. T-minus 3 minutes. T-minus 2 minutes. T minus 1 minute. T minus 50 seconds. T minus 40 seconds. T minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.